What if your next 5 high-paying clients already know you? They just haven't been introduced yet? Referrals close faster, spend more, and stay longer than cold leads, yet most designers don't ask for them. Today, I'll show you a simple referral system you can deploy this week to get premium clients without paid ads. You'll learn what to say, when to ask, and how to turn happy clients and peers into a steady pipeline. Grab a notebook. This is built for graphic, web, UI, animation designers, photographers, digital artists, and illustrators. Before we get going, subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more tips like this. Join our community of design entrepreneurs and never miss a strategy. Referrals start with an experience people want to talk about. Clear process, great communication, and outcome-driven design. Build a simple 3-stage journey. Kickoff, milestone check-ins, and a polished wrap-up with training. After each milestone, send a concise recap. What we did, why it matters, and next step. It reduces anxiety and boosts trust. End every project with a results snapshot, metrics, mock-ups in use, and a 1-page guide to maintain consistency. Make it easy to brag about you. Deliver export-ready assets, a mini case study draft, and a link to a single portfolio page. When the outcome is crystal clear, sharing your name makes your client look smart, and that fuels referrals. Ask for referrals at the right moment, after sign-off, after the first win, or when they compliment your work. Keep it natural. Thrilled with how this turned out? Do you know 1 or 2 people who would benefit from results like these? Give them the words. Share a 3-sentence intro they can forward, who you help, value, and an easy call link. Subject line example. Intro. Designer who increased conversions 38% with clean UX. Keep it specific and outcomes first. Prompt their memory. Think of 1 founder in wellness, 1 e-com owner, and 1 agency partner who struggles with consistency. Schedule the ask. Put a 10-minute referral wrap on your project plan. If it isn't planned, it won't happen. Create a circle of 5 partners who serve your clients but don't compete. Copywriters, brand strategists, SEO, photographers, animators. Offer a clear value swap, fast turnarounds for their leads, revenue share if allowed, and you promote their services too. Create a partner kit, portfolio link, 3 case studies, ideal client checklist, and a 30-second intro script. Host a monthly 20-minute referral huddle. Wins, who needs what, and warm intros booked on the spot. Be transparent. Log partner-introduced leads, attribution, and any agreed incentives. Trust makes this scale. 1 good partner can unlock 10 ideal clients a year. Treat partners like VIP clients. Offer a referral-ready deliverable. Branded asset pack, shareable before, after, and a short caption they can post. Build a frictionless path. 1 link to a discovery call page with clear outcomes, testimonials, and calendar embed. Track sources. Tag every lead by referrer, partner, or post. You can't improve what you don't measure. Incentives. Thank you gift, partner commission if compliant, or credit towards future work. Keep it classy and disclosed. Policy example. If your intro books and becomes a client within 90 days, you receive a 10% credit or gift. Simple and fair. Automate reminders. After sign-off, 30 days and 90 days. 3 gentle nudges tied to real wins. Loving these insights? If this is sparking new ideas for your design business, hit that like button and let us know your biggest takeaway in the comments. Your input helps fuel our creative community, and we might even feature your comment in a future video. Have a follow-up script for referrals. Quick note, loving the results we're seeing. If someone comes to mind who needs this, happy to share ideas in a 15-minute chat. Set a weekly referrals power hour. Send 2 follow-ups, check partner board, and update your CRM. Use a 3A3 rule. Identify 3 ideal client types and find 3 people in each network who know them. Here are some referral metrics to watch. Referral to call rate, call to close rate, and average project value by source. Document your playbook, templates for asks, partner outreach, onboarding for referred clients, and thank you steps. Every quarter, refine. Prune weak channels, double down on partners producing premium clients, and refresh your case studies. Recap. Deliver a share-worthy experience, ask at peak moments, equip partners, make it effortless, and track results. 7-day challenge. Pick 2 past clients, 1 partner, and send 3 warm asks using the scripts you heard today. Aim for one new discovery call from referrals this week. Momentum beats perfection. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with a fellow designer who needs a boost. Now check out the next videos or head to thedesignlemonade.com to sign up for more exclusive content and level up your business.